legal challenge could put Maryland's proposed congressional redistricting amendment in jeopardy before voters get a chance to decide this fall. Reporter John Gonzalez is live with what's behind this lawsuit. So, John, what happens next here?
Well, you know, this is the second lawsuit now in Maryland, John, challenging this proposed constitutional amendment. It was filed in Dorchester County, that's on the Eastern Shore, and the plaintiffs are 5 Republican lawmakers who now argue this amendment undercuts protections in the Maryland Declaration of Rights, and they are also challenging the way the measure was passed and put before voters. The General Assembly approved the measure, and Governor Westmore signed it into law earlier this month. If voters approve the amendment, it would clarify that certain requirements for compact and contiguous districts apply to state legislative districts, not congressional districts. University of Maryland Regents professor Mark Graber tells me this is really a case of why not take 2 bites of the apple instead of 1.
Apportionment may be bad for voters, it's good for lawyers. When one side engages in a partisan gerrymander, the other side sues. What is happening is simply we're in a nationwide struggle where, on the one hand, everyone will say partisan gerrymandering is bad, but if you don't want to be the first to partisan gerrymander, you don't want to be the last either.
Now, supporters say the change the governor recently made clarifies Maryland's redistricting rules. GOP opponents argue, though, this could still remove important legal standards for challenging future congressional maps. This case could end up back in Annapolis, where the first lawsuit is set for a hearing on August 25th. Back to you inside.
So, John, who's paying for this new case?
John, that is a great question. Right now, the Republican Party in Maryland says this is not its case, even though it has been communicating with these plaintiffs, with these 5 Republican lawmakers. And keep in mind, there's a critical deadline quickly approaching. The State Board of Election needs to certify these ballots by August 31st. Reporting live, John Gonzalez, 7 News.